Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.